pineapple. You must be sweet.
Today we're at the mall and we're gonna do the Halloween trick-or-treating that they have. I'm gonna show you how it looks. And Miguel's gonna go trick-or-treating. Let's go. One of the best places to go trick-or-treating on Guam is Micronesia Mall. They give candies. Every store gives out candies. You could go home with a bag of candy. I can't stress how I've been doing this for how many decades of my life since I was a kid, man. I'm hoping you're gonna check this out. I hope you're gonna enjoy it. You're just gonna see us go around and get candy. But yeah, happy Halloween and trick-or-treat. Let's go.
Parents, bring your kids up. So you'll lift on the stage, whatever you're doing.
Alright, DJ Daryl Lozano starting it off, giving out candy to everybody.
Oh my God, it almost started a riot. And then I only asked for one kid, they all came up on the dance floor. Okay, listen, before we start the trick-or-treating, this is a party, right? That dance, the electric slide, we need everybody to get their feet warmed up a little bit. I need for everybody, as much as humanly as much as we can squeeze the people on the dance floor. We're gonna do a little dance called that know how to do the electric slide.
I love how all the kids are dancing the twist. I mean, you can't see it, I'll show you in a bit. But they're warming it up for all the kids to go trick-or-treating.
You can dance now.
Oh shit, there's Santa Claus. And they're off. Everyone's going crazy, trying to get trick-or-treating in every store instead of houses. On Guam, we go to the stores and they give us candy. This is a Guam-style trick-or-treat here in the Micronesia Mall. Damn, that devil among us. Great costume, kid. Sorry. We're lining up here. It's a long line, but every shop here in the mall gives candy.
Well, you want to go back this way?
Thank you. Happy Halloween, bro! Oh, look, a dog. Nice costume. Happy Halloween! Oh, that's good. Oh, shit. Pokemon. Hello, and a creeper. I like how everyone's organized and lining up. Yeah, there's a fat Thor. Nachos and salsa. Cool. Trick or treat! Thank you! Ooh, vampires. Cool. Cool beans. Vampires. Oh shit, I got Darth Vader. Skeletons. A werewolf. and more. Happy Halloween! Thank you. Happy Halloween! Thank you. Thank you. Oh. Oh, there's even Elvis in the house. Good stuff. You got, I think where the wild things are. Got a killer clown. Got Fred Flintstone just down there. Tons. Oh, that's a cool mask. Got the Rex from Toy Story. Oh shit. I don't know if you can see it. You got the nun over there. And I think the Bride of Chucky, Tiffany. Yeah. Good games. Good games. Oh, he's looking for the light. Happy Halloween! Oh, look at little Superman, little pirate girl, fireman. Oh, you got Ladybug. Cool. Cool, you got Georgie and Pennywise the dancing clown. Cool beans. Yeah, Pennywise. Happy Halloween! Alright, there's great costumes tonight. We're giving a walk around. Everyone's in line. So pretty cool. Everyone's organized to get candy. Spider-Man over there. And more. Look at this. I like how all of the stores close for about an hour. And everyone goes around to get candy. Pretty cool, look at this. It just goes around through the whole mall. It's one of the best events that you're gonna get here on Guam for Halloween. And especially if you're here for kids, you know. This happens every year. So it's pretty hyped that only now, after the pandemic, this is the first time back that they're having this. Oh, marshmallow over there. Yeah, I'm pretty stoked. Look at that, tons more. Oh, there's Olaf and Elsa. I don't know if I can zoom in. Yeah, cool stuff. That's cool. He made that out of a cardboard. Cool gun. Olaf and Elsa over there. And the line continues. Let's go. Got a dinosaur riding guy over there. And more. Pretty cool right there. You got the best looking Pikachu I've ever seen. Cool, pretty cool. You got a whole Sailor Moon tuxedo mask and Sailor Venus over here. It's pretty cool. Great costumes, guys. Cool, man. You got an alien over here and astronauts. That's cool. Then we got the Frankenstein. Good shit. Thank you. Happy Halloween. Trick or treat. Happy Halloween. Thank you. Yeah, shop. Say trick or treat. Happy Halloween. Yeah. Sorry, he put his foot inside. Oh boy. Alright, this is a really cool event. Again, free event, as well as free candy. All of the stores are giving candy. So Mikhail is getting more than his bucket. He's getting a whole bag of candy. Cool stuff. Happy Halloween! Trick or treat, happy Halloween! Thank you! We got Saitama over there, One Punch Man. Cool stuff. Trick or treat! Thank you! Thank you! Don't try, baby. Oh, cool jack-o'-lantern face, man. Jabberwocky. Oh, Holmes! Got Chainsawman. Sick! Check him out. Cool stuff. Yeah, dog. Thank you. Oh, Blippi.
You guys having a good Halloween?
Yeah, look, look out, Blippi. Look out, Blippi. Cool. Thank you. Oh man, you got the Green Ranger, Power Ranger. Not bad. Pokemon. Oh, Jojo! Sick. Guess all this. Oh, tons of people. Dude, even Chucky's here. Crazy. Love it. Everyone with their costumes and more. We got Riley up in here. Happy Halloween! Trick or treat! Thank you! Oh shit, there's Michael Myers and Michael Myers. Sick! Cool man, you got unicorns over here. Cool stuff. Oh, she got a Ninja Turtle! Michelangelo! Miles Morales over there. Thank you! Oh man, this guy got Jack. There you got the baby Jack. Oh, you got Spider-Man in the house with Miles Morales. Oh, you got Spider-Gwen and more. I love everyone's costumes for being festive. Very cool. You got Happy Halloween. Trick or treat. Oh, sorry. Thank you. Spider-Man's. Halloween.
Happy Halloween.
Trick or treat. Bye. Trick or treat. Happy Halloween. Thanks. Oh, pinhead. Happy Halloween. Thank you. That seller got good candy. Happy Halloween. Thank you. Yeah, you got a lot of candy, boy. Happy Halloween. I love it, man. Everyone's festive. Free event, free candy. Annual trick-or-treating here at Micronesia Mall. Love it. Trick or treat. Happy Halloween. Thank you. Trick or treat. Happy Halloween. Thank you. Trick or treat. Happy Halloween. Thank you. Trick or treat. Thank you. Happy Halloween. Heads. Hey, nice costume. All right, so that was the Micronesia Mall's Halloween trick-or-treating event here. I'm gonna end the video here. If you like this video, don't forget to share it with your friends. If you're in it, also comment down below what time on the video you're actually seeing in it. And if you haven't, please subscribe. I'm gonna end it here again. Thank you for watching. Happy Halloween. My name is Mark. Peace. I'm out.